10 tips to make the new year the best year of your life. 1. Reflect and learn. Analyze the past year's challenges and regrets. Write down lessons learned and how to apply them to avoid similar mistakes. 2. Set clear goals. Break your dreams into achievable goals. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. 3. Adopt a growth mindset. See challenges as opportunities to grow. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. 4. Prioritize health. Focus on physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Exercise, eat healthily, and practice mindfulness or meditation. 5. Strengthen relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones. Mend broken relationships and appreciate those who support you. 6. Time management. Plan your days efficiently. Use a planner or app to track daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. 7. Practice gratitude. Start each day by listing things you're thankful for. This helps shift focus from regrets to positive experiences. 8. Learn something new. Pick up a new skill or hobby. It could be learning a language, cooking, or an online course to improve your expertise. 9. Financial planning. Create a budget, save more, and avoid unnecessary expenses. Plan for long-term investments. 10. Help others. Engage in acts of kindness or volunteer work. Giving back brings fulfillment and a sense of purpose. What should be your resolutions? I will prioritize self-care and growth. I will take one step every day toward my goals. I will let go of the past and embrace the present. What's your New Year's resolution? Share in the comments below.